Aini saves 611 of her salary every month. However, in December, she saved $50 more than she usually saves. With the remaining, she spent one fifth of it on a pair of shoes, $40 on transport, and $200 on food. How much did she save in December? So in this case, this is what we call the remainder concept. So I'm going to use the branching method because this is a bit more, I would say, advanced, but also faster and easier to do. Okay, in my opinion. All right, so we have the total money as such, right? And then in this case over here, she saved 6/11 of her, what do you call this, salary, right? Okay, sorry, not total money. So salary, right? So she saved 6/11 on the salary. So 6/11, okay. Always save your money, guys. Save, right? And then after that, she also saved $50 more. So we need to say plus 50. Whoops. Plus $50 in this case over here, right? Okay, so we need to say this as well. All right, so in this case, what is the remainder? So you go salary, and in this case, what is the remainder? The remainder is 511. Okay, 511 is the remainder. However, we also need to do something over here. We need to minus $50. Okay, so why we need to minus $50 is because this is the total sum. So when you add together, it should be one whole, right? So 50, if we don't minus 50, it will be one whole plus 50, which is not what we want. Okay, so this will be the remainder. So let me put it here, something like this, right? Or okay, like this lah, right? So 511 is the remainder. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, let me put this a bit towards here. Wow, ooh, you. Okay, okay, okay. Wow, so weird. All right, never mind. So with the remainder itself, then she spent one fifth of the remainder. So over here, she spent one fifth on shoes, right? So 1/5, and this is on shoes. Okay, and the rest, right, over here is on transport and food. Okay, so in this case, it is basically dollars 200 plus dollars 40, which is equal to dollars 240. Okay, so in this case, I would say transport and food is equal to 200 plus 40 is equal to dollars 240. Fraction for transport and food is equal to, okay, so transport food, fraction for transport food from remaining, okay, that's very important, is equal to, right, 1 minus 1/5, right? So just put this over here, right? And what will this become? This will be equal to, right, 4/5.